A Tesla drives straight into zero visibility. This moment is now at the center of one of the most intense debates in autonomous driving today. Is Tesla's full self-driving system becoming superhuman, or is it still dangerously reactive? Because what you're seeing here is not just a viral clip. It's a real-world test of machine judgment under extreme pressure. Supporters are calling it extraordinary. Tesla engineer Yun-Ta Tsai described the system's reaction as faster than most human drivers could manage. Online, parents are saying they feel safer with Tesla's system than with human drivers. And Tesla is backing that confidence with data. According to company reports, full self-driving, currently labeled supervised, records roughly one crash every 986,000 miles. That's significantly better than the US average of one crash every 670,000 miles. Across more than 8 billion miles driven, Tesla argues the numbers are clear. The system reacts faster. And in many cases, that speed prevents accidents entirely. But critics say that's only half the story, because reaction speed is not the same as judgment. And that's where the concern begins. In this same incident, critics argue a cautious human driver might have slowed down much earlier, long before entering zero visibility conditions. Dan O'Dowd, a longtime critic of Tesla's approach, points to a fundamental issue. Tesla's system often reacts perfectly, but only after it has already entered a dangerous situation. And that difference matters, because in autonomous driving, prevention is everything. Regulators are paying attention. The US National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has already launched probes into Tesla's behavior in low visibility scenarios. These include cases involving fog, smoke, and emergency scenes. Situations where human intuition typically slows things down before risk escalates. And then there's the comparison Tesla can't avoid: Waymo. Unlike Tesla, Waymo operates fully driverless vehicles in controlled environments, no supervision, no hands on the wheel. And critics argue its safety record reflects a more cautious, deliberate system, one designed to avoid risk early, not just react to it quickly. Tesla, however, is taking a very different path. Its system is built for scale. Millions of vehicles, real-world data, continuous learning. The philosophy is simple: expose the system to reality, and it will improve faster than any controlled test environment ever could. And in many cases, that approach is delivering results. Recent clips show Tesla's FSD handling complex situations with calm precision. In one video, it smoothly avoids a potential collision with a speeding vehicle. In another, it refuses to engage with aggressive drivers, quietly maintaining distance instead of escalating risk. These are not scripted demos. They are raw, unpredictable, real-world moments. And that's exactly why this debate is intensifying. Because both sides are right, just in different ways. Tesla's system is undeniably fast. Its reaction times can exceed human capability. But autonomy is not just about reacting. It's about anticipating. And that's where the gap still exists. As Tesla pushes towards its long-promised robotaxi future, this question becomes critical. Should an autonomous system behave like a superhuman reflex machine or a cautious, risk-avoiding driver? Because in edge cases, like zero visibility, the difference between those two philosophies could define the future of transportation. And right now, the world is watching closely. Because the next decision Tesla's system makes might not just be impressive, it might be irreversible.